sacrificed you in the past for greed, status, and fame, but will need your help in the future. You see, whoever this person or these people are, right, they didn't think twice to, here and jump ship, leave you behind, leave you to suffer. They were operating off a very selfish and low vibing frequency. I mean, we've all been selfish before, but this is selfish on another level. This is like mean-spirited, vengeful. I'm going to pretend to help you. I'm going to pretend to be there for you. I'm going to pretend to care for you. But at a drop of a hat, I will sacrifice you. And that does not mean that you are not worthy. This person does not see the worthiness within self to then treat another person the way that they chose to treat you. They may have tried to isolate you from a group, club, organization. They may have tried to get you kicked out of an organization or block connections that could benefit you, because they were not in the right state, very erratic, very desperate to be popular, to be seen with the right people. Maybe they felt like you didn't fit the mold. You couldn't be around the people that I'm going to be around. They hid their Seven of Swords energy, but felt no way to drop you at the drop of a hat. Secretly competing with you though, behind the scenes, jealous of you, don't want you to be seen, because they were fearful of people liking you better than them. Very twisted individual, very narcissistic, very cold and cruel. Pretending to be a supportive individual when you were going through your time of crisis, but behind the scenes they were causing these crises, or hoping for you to be in conflict, sending chaos magic your way. Every time you told them about a negative situation in your life, they were happy, having this inner satisfaction of job done. Pretending to be caring, but being very cold and cruel. Leaving you in the lurch during some very desperate times here. Instead of being supportive, they were in alignment with whoever was against you, and they were adding to your plate. They were in spiritual war with you. And now they are in a lot of heartbreak and pain. There's a lot of sadness that's going on in this person's life. This could be to do with their family. This could be to do with their stability, their money, their work. Their relationships are in disarray. They're going through karma, and their fears are coming up to the surface. They need your help. They need your support. They need your care. They are feeling very scattered, and they have no one to turn to. Their life is turned upside down for some of you. This person, I'm just getting an image of someone, you know, like if you put trainers in a washing machine and it's like, ba-dum, ba-dum. Yeah, that's the image I'm getting. They're drained. They're feeling very disheveled. They've been forced into spiritual time out. They are isolated. They are alone. Even when they're around people, they still feel alone. But with you, you gave them that sense of safety. You were authentic, you were true, and they didn't show up for you in that same way. Now they feel left out of your life. They yearn for your warmth. They're looking back on their behavior and they are acknowledging, for some of you, not for all, that their selfish ways has caused this divide. They're trying to chase some type of blessings, and it's out of reach. It's like whatever they're trying to chase is not in alignment with them. They're trying to invest in certain ideas, goals, people, not working out. Everything's collapsing around them. They're abandoned and alone. And all they can think about is you, because you were the realest one who put up with their crap. And this person self-sabotages all the time. And you were their last hope. And they messed up. And now they're in the 9 of Swords. Feeling trapped in the head. Feeling the same mental anguish that they once put you through, or was hoping for you.